Ashmi. Hi, Nuri. Hi, Pankuri. Hi, everyone. Hi, we have some new members. We have new. Hi, Prince. Hi, Preet. Molly. Hi, Molly. How was your weekend, all of you? Did you manage to rest? What did you do on your weekend? Hi, Sugar. What is that? Sugar Frost plays gaming videos. What's that? Someone new? Good. That's really nice to see so many of you waiting today. That's Ashmi. Oh, okay. Hi, Mathula. That was me. Sugar Front Play was me. Oh, okay. No, today we'll be doing same session for both because we'll be doing really good maths. We'll be doing primary challenge maths today. So it's not anything really hard. So all of you can participate in that. I just wanted to remind you about your creative writing. I did receive only 2 creative writings. That's it. Nothing else. I just got 2 creative writings. Please try doing your creative writings by today evening and send it to me. Jessica, I didn't get your creative writing. Ashmi, I didn't get yours. Josh never gives me his. Pulkit has also not given me. Try doing it by today evening, all of you. Yes, I've got yours. What is it about? If you were on Friday, if you were present on the creative writing one, you'll come to know it was on Friday. Mathula, I got yours. That's fine. What do I have to write? I'm new. You can leave it. You can start doing it from this week on Friday. Was it good? Yes, it's good. And remember, we are going to have a lucky draw on Friday for all of you who continue. They come on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Ishita is going to take the lucky draw. I'll put all the names in of all the members who are present on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And Ishita is going to pick the lucky draw. We'll have a box which has all your names in it. And Ishita will be picking one name out. And that person will get a medal for this week saying that you were here throughout. So we have done that so that all of you get something or the other. Probably not me. Don't say that. Everybody can be. So we are doing this so that all of you get a chance of winning something or the other, because I don't want any one of you to be upset who comes here. So we'll be doing that every week for medals, and we'll be picking up lucky draws for all of you with all your names in, and we'll be doing it. Good. Hi, Geeta. There's someone from Facebook saying hi to all of you. Hi, Banish. So how was your weekend, all of you? Did you manage to do some work, or you were just resting, enjoying the sun? We have someone new here today. We have a lot of new people today. Welcome the new members who have joined us today for the live. Strawberry picking. Oliver, what's that strawberry picking? Oh, you went for strawberry picking. That's good. I did practice for tutor. That's good. My name is Anish. I'm not new. I know you're not new, but we have one or two members. One I can see from Facebook. Banish, they are 7:30 now. I saw my cousins for the first time. That's good. So you had something good to meet your friends and your family and your friends now. You did maths. That's good. You did maths. That's really, really nice. All of you did maths. We had fun on Father's Day. That's good. Dia is saying she did a bonfire. That's good. I searched Banish Khan and some girls came up, dude. Were you searching for his YouTube channel? Top of the Rocks. Okay. You made a poem. Ashmi, I want to see the poem you made. That's good. Ashmi's started to like a little bit of English now. But Ashmi always used to like English. The only thing she doesn't like is maths. It's on Facebook. I will have a look, Ashmi. You can send me your poem, Ashmi. I can put it in the Facebook group also. Please, can we start? Yes, we can. Hi, Shilpa. Okay. As you know, we'll be doing primary challenge and I'll be also writing the answers. Check on my mom's account. I'll do that, Ashmi. So we can start now. You can see the questions and there are 25 of them. So we should start. Please don't go before we end. We do all 25 and if we start doing it now, I think before you guys get hungry, we'll be able to finish it. So let's do it. And remember, the ones who are on Facebook, you can also forward this video to your family and friends. So we can have more members joining in. You're already hungry. So you can join in. All of your friends can also join in the live because there's so many kids who get bored in the house, have nothing to do. So we can just try getting more people on Facebook and on YouTube so that all the children can benefit from these lessons and don't get bored in the house. So let's start doing now. And let's start sharing our screens. Are you guys ready? Let's do it. The screen has been shared. I think so all of you can see the board. And let's start. So the first one is we are doing maths today. The first one is, which of these is closest to the height of an adult elephant? That's an easy one. It's 1 centimeters, 2 feet, 3 meters, 4 mm, or 5 kilometers. And I can see all of you are giving me the right answer. Let me also mark for the ones who don't know the answer. The answer for the first one is 3 meters. Good. Try doing the next one now. The next one is the number of letters in the word 4 is equal to its numerical value. For how many other single digit numbers is that true? So in this one, what do you think the answer is? Remember, we can observe that 1, 2, and 6 have 3 letters and 5 and 9 has 4 letters. And 3, 7, and 8 have 5 letters. I've given you a little hint. So what do you think the answer could be? For number 2. Good, Banish. The answer is A for number 2. Good. That's the answer for number 2. Let's move on to number 3. In the UK, it is 11 a.m. The time in San Francisco is 8 hours behind the UK. What time do the clocks now show in San Francisco? Remember, what are you writing, all of you, and try giving the answer correct. It cannot be 7 p.m. That's wrong. And the answer is, all of you are, it's not E. Vivek has given me the right answer. The right answer for this one is 3. And why is it 3? Because it's 8 hours behind. 11 a.m. is 3 a.m. So you just count backwards in this one. That's an easy way to do it. Good. I'm writing all the answers. All of you are writing the right answers. Well done, everyone. Let's move on to the next one now. The next one is, I have 100 socks for my octopus. How many octopus can have all their, how many socks can he have then? He can wear basically. What do you think the answer would be for number 4? Number 4, Ashmi is already got it. Number 4, the answer is E. Dia has also got it. That's good. Because you just need to say 12 need, how many? 12 needs 96 socks while 13 need 104 socks. So the answer for number 4 would be E. Good. Try doing number 5 now. If you have seen this, I can move up the screen a little bit. If you guys are ready. You are confused. Why are you confused? Let's try doing it together. In number 4, they are saying if there are 100 socks, remember how many socks can he wear? So basically, you just have to do that. 12 need 96 socks while 13 needs how many socks? 104 socks. So if you do it, that will be 12 socks needed for number 4. If you do number 5 now, if you're ready, I can move up the screen now. So all of you can see number 5. I need to move up the screen a little bit for you all. Try looking at number 5 now. Number 5 is Rabbit All buys 10 bendy pencils at 99p each and pays with a 10-pound note. How much change should Rabbit All receive? Remember, how much change should he receive? Each pencil cost 1p less than 1 pound. So what do you think rest of the pencil would cost? Vivek, Ravi got it right. Holly got it right. Prince got it right. The answer for number 5 is C, because each pencil cost 1p, that's less than 1 pound. So 10 pencils, Rabbit will get 10p change. So how much change will he get? He will only get 10p change. So your answer for number 5 is 10p. Number 5 is 10p. So try doing the next one. Speedy Samuel is running up the Eiffel Tower in Paris. There are 669 steps from ground level to the second stage of the tower. If he runs from ground level to the second stage and back, how many steps does he run? So basically, you need to calculate how many steps he runs, and it's given 669, it's 1238, 13,002, 1328, 1338, or 13218. Which one you think it is? You need to just multiply it while going and coming. That's 2. Just multiply it by 2. 669 multiply by 2. That will give you your answer. If you are stuck on this one, it's 1338. Good. So the answer for number 6 is D. And because we just multiply, we are just multiplying this one, 669 by 2. And then we get our answer. Well done. Try doing number 7 now. Which of the following calculations give the smallest number that is exactly divisible by 2, 3 and 4? 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 4, 3 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. Which one you think is the answer for number 7? Good. All of you are giving me the right answer. It's C. It's C. How we got C? If you look at option A, it's not divisible by 4. Option B is also not, you can't divide it by 3. Option C, D and 3 all are divisible by 2, 3 and 4. And C is the smallest. That's good. So the answer for number 7 is also C. If you're ready, I can move up now. If you're done. Good. She's given me a good explanation. That's good. Well done, everyone. Let's move on to number 8 now, if you guys are ready. Good. Let's move on to number. I'm moving everything now. Number 8 now. Try doing number 8. Number 8 is how many cuboids like X would you need to make cuboid Y show on the right? So what do you think it is? Which one? Number 8. Remember the sides and just calculate the sides of it and see which one, how many sides it has. And just multiply it. So what do you think the answer is for number 8? Number 8 is 12. Good. Prince got the answer. How we got 12? You're just multiplying 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 36. So that's why the answer is 12. Good. So the answer is 12. And how we got 12? We just need to see what each one of them have and just multiply that. That's 3 and that's 4 gives you 12. Try doing number 9 now. 12 obviously. Yeah, that's easy. I'll say P. If P height is approximately 3 times the circumference of the head of his head and the circumference of his head is 63 centimeters, how tall could he be? So you just need to calculate his height in this one. And it's an easy one. Let's see what you get. Josh has got E. Shilpa has also got E. Ravi also got E. Preeti also got E. That was an easy one. You just need to, in number 9, you just need to multiply it 0.63. My point is gone somewhere. I'll do it. Multiply by 3. That gives you guys 1.89. And I just do it in meters. That would be 1.9 meters. So that's why your answer for this one is E. So we can move on the next page if you guys are ready. If any of you are stuck, I'll just mark the answers again. 6 was D. 7 was C. 8 I've done and 9 we have done. So we can move on the next page. I'll give you guys a minute and then we can move on the next page. Good. Let's move on to the next page now. I will zoom the page for you all. Try doing number 10 now. Number 10 is about a survey. They are saying in a survey, 200 children were asked to choose their favorite smartphone games. How many choose Fluffy Bird? 10, 20, 25, 50 or 100? That's for number 10. Vivek has already got the answer. It's D. It's 50. Yogi also got it. Gauri also got it. Maya, hi. Maya also got it. The explanation was done by Maya. So the answer for number 10 is D. You just need to divide it. 22 divided by 4. That gives you 50. So that's the answer for number 10. So try doing it number 11 now. If today is Wednesday, but today is Monday. If today is Wednesday, what day of the week will it be in 20 days' time? What do you think it will be? A Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday or Friday? Good. Try doing number 11 now. Josh, you're so fast. It won't be Tuesday. It won't be Thursday. It will be Tuesday. Well done. Remember, 3 weeks is 21 days. So 20 days is a day short of 3 weeks later. That is a Tuesday. So try doing number 12 now. I'll say P and Q, easy forms. P and Q are delivering leaflets to flats numbered from 250 to 300 inclusive. P is delivering only to the flats that have even numbers. You know what even numbers are: 2, 4, 6, 8. How many leaflets will she need? So the answer is Tuesday. Yes. Try doing number 12 now. Number 12, the answer is not B. Try doing number 12 again, all of you. Number 12 is not 26. What happened? Why am I having... Number 12 is C. Good. Hatish got it right. Why I'm getting crying faces here? So let's do number 12 together. If you didn't get it, there are 15 flats from 250 to 299 inclusive, and there are P and Q delivering 20 leaflets each. Pat will only deliver 300. So there will be how many of them? There will be only 26 leaflets. So that's the answer for number 12 is C. Number 12 is C, not B, Pankri. You did not put mine on board. I'll do it next time. Try doing it now. So number 12 is C. And why did we get C? I've told you the reason. Because Pat will deliver 300. If he delivers 300, P will deliver 300. And how many leaflets are there? That means it's only equal to 25 leaflets. Sorry, 26 leaflets, not 25. That's only 26 leaflets. Try doing the next one now. If you can see it, I can move up a little bit. I need to remove all this for going up now. So try doing number 13. You can see it now. Try doing number 13 now. Number 13 is a square of piece of paper is folded in half to make a rectangle. The rectangle has a perimeter of 24 centimeters. What was the area of the original square? So you need to find the area of the original square for number 13. So what do you think the answer for number 13 is? Number 13 is Josh has got it right. Vivek has got it right. Mohammed, be happy. It's on the board now. You got it right. It's D. It's 64. Nuri got it right. Yogi, Pankri. I'm putting as many I can on the board now. Don't get upset if you can't be on the board. So the answer for number 13 is D. And for C, 12 is C. I'm doing it again. Why is that? Because you just need to see, let the length of the square be X. So we are assuming the length of the square is X. And then what are we doing? The diagram. You just try making a diagram. And that will be 3x centimeters. So 3x centimeters is 3 multiplied by what? Then you just need to multiply it and then try doing it. And x equals to 8. So the area of the square is 8 multiplied by 8. That's 64. We are just multiplying it. That's it. So that's why your answer is 64 in that one. Good. So try doing 14. 14 is a Micro only see the digital clock as a reflection in the window. When he looked at the first time, it read 5 or something, and later it read BERI something. How many minutes passed in between? What do you think? How many minutes are passed in between? I'll zoom that because you can't see it properly, because I could also not see it properly in that screen. I hope you can see it now. Try doing it now. What do you think the answer would be for this one? So the answer for number 14 would be, the final time reflects is 1702. The second time it's 1738. So if you look at the reflection, hence the difference is how much? Is 36. So the answer for number 14 is D, guys. The answer for 14 is D. The answer for 14 is D. It's just because of, if you look at the time, the first time when you saw it was 1702. And the next time when you saw it was 1738. You just need to find the difference between both of them. And when you see the difference in both of them, the difference is 36 minutes. So that's the answer for number 14. So try doing number 15 now. That's Roman numbers. In Roman numbers, 215 is written using 4 letters MMXV. In how many years' time? Good. Ashmi, answer was, let's see, in how many years time will the year, in how many years time will the year next be written with only 4 letters? What do you think it will be? For number 15, what do you think it will be? It will be in 5. It will be in 5 years. Good. So let's move on now. I'll give you a minute to, I'm going to see if the next one looks like little hard to you guys. I'll see if you can do it, because it needs a lot of working out in that one. Try doing this one, 16, if you can do it. It has a lot of working out in this one. They are saying the diagram shows below is 1 to 12. Place around a circle, crossed out 1 and then 4 and then 7, and going in a clockwise direction and crossing out every third number that has not been crossed out until 2 numbers are left. What's the sum of these 2 numbers? So basically you have to make a chart in this one. You have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 12, and you have to do it how many times? You have to do it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, sorry. You need to do it 12 times. Because you're saying a diagram shows the number 1 to 12 spins around a circle, crossed out 1, then 4, then 7. So you have to make it a big chart of 1 to 12 5 times and try crossing out the first one in the first third. You want me? I can do it, but it's really a lot of working out needs to be done. In this one, I can show you guys how to do it. If you are interested to do it, you just need to make a chart 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you need to keep doing that. Sorry, you need to keep doing that for 5 times basically. You need to make it 5 times and then you need to keep cancelling it. And when you cancel it, in the end, you will be left with 3 and 8. And then you just need to add 8 plus 3. That's 11. That's why your answer is 11. When you keep doing like this, you keep doing it this way. And in the end, you will be left with 8 plus 3. That would be 11. That's your answer. Just keep cancelling. First one, you'll cancel 1. Sorry, I forgot to write 4. You'll cancel 4, 7, 10. You keep doing it like this, and in the end, you will be left with 13. That's why your answer is 13. Answer is 13 for number 16. So let's go on to number 17. I'll move that now and move on. Try doing 17 now, all of you. The 17 is I am threading blue and purple beads into a necklace in the ratio 2:5. So you have ratio. Yes, I missed 4 in that. I know that. In the necklace ratio 4:5, I used 98 beads in total. How many more purple beads than blue do I use? So what do you think it's the answer? The answer for 17 is not D, is C. Aiden is right. Josh is right. Maya is right. It's C. Why it's C? Because you know the ratio 4:5 means that 2 in 7 beads are blue and 5 in 7 purple. Since you just need to multiply 98 divided by 7, that's 14. There are 28 blue and 70 purple beads. Hence, you just need to subtract 70. You just need to subtract 70, subtract by 28. That gives you 42. So the answer is C for this one. Let me just put some of yours now. It's C is the answer. So the answer for 17 is C. Banish, what are you doing? We can't see what you've written. So let's move on to the next page. Yogi, you got a shout out. Always, all the names are here. Let's move on to the next one. Good. All of you are writing it really well. Well done, everyone. Manish, you're just going on cancelling your work. So let's move on to the next page now. I'm just doing it little big for you guys so you can see. So try doing number 19 now. Number 18, sorry. Number 18 is I'm going to help my mom. How many of you like helping your mother? That's for you now. Number 18 is for you guys. I'm going to help my mom. No rest now. Mow the lawn 40 minutes. Post a letter 7 minutes. Wash the car 35 minutes. Clean our veggie cage 11 minutes. If I start at 10 a.m., what time do I finish? Calculate all the time what's given with the rest time also. This is the biggest mistake all of you do. You just calculate the time and you don't calculate the resting time. So what do you think the answer would be? So what do you think the answer for 18 is? Good. Dia got it right. I'm putting all of your answers on the top. Good. So the answer for 18 is B, because the task total takes, you just need to add all of them as I told you. 40 plus 7 plus 35 and plus 11. That's 93 minutes. And just calculate from 10, 93 minutes. You'll get the answer. Well done to all of you. Try doing the next 19 now. What is the area of the quadrilateral? (19) is B. Adam has did it right. I'm putting all the answers on the board now. Good. So the answer for 19 is B. Again, we just multiplied them and we got it. The left-handed triangle as an area is, you just need to calculate the area of this one first and divided by 2. You will get, for these two, you will get 10. And for the rest one, 10. It's just an easy way. 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 plus 6 is 16. And that's why your answer is 19. And then you just do it. 3 multiply by 4 and you divide it by 2. That's 12. You'll get 12 for this. You just need to divide it by 2. That's 6 if you don't get it. And just add them up. And then you will get your answer for this one. Good. Try doing number 20 now. We are almost done. We have 25 and we have reached 20. Well done, everyone. So number 20 is my dad. Burley Earn says he has to mourn at me 2 schools mornings in every 3 to get me out of bed. In a 12-week term with 5 school days each week, how many mornings will he mourn at me? Mourn means shout at me. How many times do you think the dad must be shouting at him? Good. It's D. All of you are getting it right. Well done, everyone. To get it right. How did we get 20 now? It's so easy. It's 2 by 3 multiplied by 12 and multiplied by 5. That gives you... My writing has become so bad on this board. That gives you 40. That's your answer for this one. If you're ready, I can move up now. I'll just put some on the board first before moving up. Well done, everyone. So I put lots and lots of on the board so you guys don't get upset, don't get saying that, oh, my one is on not, you are not putting mine. So let's move on now to the next one. I'm going to move all this, what we did. So try doing 21 now. Mrs. Whiskers has 2 cats and 8 kittens. So she has 2 cats and how many kittens? 8. Each of the 2 cats weighed 6 times as much as each kitten. Altogether, the cats and the kitten weighed 10 kgs. How many kilograms does each kitten weigh? So you need to find the weight of the kittens now. That's an easy one. If you really want to shout out, here you go. It's gone on the board now. Yogi. So what do you think the answer is for 21? You need to write the answer for this one now, all of you. So basically, you know that you can do it 0.5 kg or you could do half a kg. Yeah? Their 2 cats will together weigh much as 10 kittens. So 10 kg is equivalent to the height of 12 plus 8. That's 20 kittens. Here 1 kitten weight is 10 kg. You just need to divide it by 20. So we just need to divide it 10 kg. You just need to divide it by 20. And your answer would be 0.5 kg. So that's the answer for here. 0.5 kg is the answer for this. We just need to divide because we know they are 10 and you calculate how many are they all together and just divide it by 20. That was an easy one. Try doing 22 now. They are saying a full box of B contains 1,200 grams of cereal. In each of the dimensions of the box is halved. Remember, it's been halved. How many grams B will the smallest full box contain? So what do you think it is now? For number 22. I think so. I got somebody who got the right answer for this one. No, 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 no. All of you are giving me the wrong answer for 22. Let me write the answer for you all. I'll be using a box to do it now. So basically, you just need to do half multiplied by half or the easiest way, what I would do is, if without doing multiply all that, I would just divide it 1200. I will just divide it that by 8, and that I'll get my answer. I don't have to do all these halves and things what they have given here. That's your answer. So that's the answer for number 22. You just need to divide it by 8 and you get it's 150 grams. So that's your answer for 22. Try doing 25 now. Good. Ravi got it right. Why 8? Because we are just doing it. Half multiplied by half gives you 1/8. That's why we did it by 8. Because we are doing it as a dimensions. Remember? That's the reason we did it by 8. If you didn't get why we did by 8, because in the middle we did 1/8 not 1/8, half multiply by half multiply by half. That gives you 1/8. Hope you got it now why we did it by 8. So let's do the next one. 23. The diagram shows a equilateral triangle. Remember, the sides are equal in this one. And the sides are equal. So they're asking how many grams of, joint. The diagram shows an equilateral triangle joined to a quadrilateral, two of whose angles are 36 degrees and 49 degrees. What's the size of angle X? So you need to find the value of angle X. To find the value of angle X, what do you think you'll do? What do you answer this for 23? Anybody got the right answer? You know that this angle altogether, in this one, you are just need to do it. You know that D is equal to, let's just name them first for you guys to make it easy. Let's do, this is X is already given. Let's do this A. Let's do this C. And let's do this B. Okay. So make your life easier. I have done this now. And this one here is D here. And this one is E. I've made it like this so that all of you can work it out easier. So you know that. So now you need to find out what is A, B, C, D, and E to find out X. That's an easy way. Now you know that D equals to 180 degrees. So D is 180 degrees. 120, because you just add these up, add these two and divide and minus it by 180. So you get it. And angles in the equilateral sides are both equal. So they all these add up to 360. And you just need to minus 360. When you go up in GCSEs, you'll be able to do this more nicely. 49 minus 36, that, and minus from 120, that gives you 155. That's the answer. So this is what? This is E. So first you need to find out what E is. To find out E, you have to do it this way. And after you do this way, you just have to minus it, 180 minus 155, and then you'll get your answer to 25. So this is 25. Don't worry about this. You won't get such a hard one in your 11 plus. This is something for your GCSEs. Your answer is 25. You're just minusing 180 by 1. You need to minus 180 minus 155. And that gives you 25 degrees. It's really complication ones. You just need to find one, and always remember, in equilateral angles, the sides are there. Some side is always equal to the other side. So let's leave this one for the ones who are getting confused. So let's move on to 24. Remember, we got only 2 more left. Let's finish it fast so that all of you can go back to your house and have your lunch. 2 more left and then we are done. Let's finish it fast. If you didn't get 23, don't worry about that. Just leave it. You won't get such a complicated one. In your 11 plus, you will get the easy ones. But if you get something like this, remember to find, just try naming them A, B, C like we did, and just try doing it. So let's do 24 now. In 24, they're asking you what fraction of all the 3-digit numbers which end in 6 are multiples of 6. What do you think the answer is? For 24, I'm thinking if anybody can give me the right answer for this one. Food, please. You need to do only 2 more left. Try doing it. So you just need to find 3-digit numbers which end in 6 and are multiples of 6. We can see that there are 3-digit numbers ending in 6, begins at 106 and end up in 996. And they are set of 90 numbers. If you divide it by 6, you get 30 by 90. So you will get, so all the numbers, what you all will get, you'll get lots of them. You just need to divide it. You just need to do 30 divided by 90 in this. 0 to 0 cut. You have 3 to 9. Simplify it more. And your answer for this one would be 1/3. That's the answer for 24. Good, Prince. That's the one. And the last one is the largest 4-digit factor of 878. 78 is a prime number. What is it? So what will be the answer for this one? You need a prime number. The largest 4-digit factor of 87878 is prime number. What it is? So in this one, we can check 87878 for prime factors. 878 is an even. You know that it is divided. You can divide it by 2, and you can get the answer as 2 multiplied by 43939. You keep doing that, and then in the end, the answer would be 6277. So the answer for this one is 6277. And how did you get that? Just by dividing it by. You just divide this number by 2, you will get. When you divide it by 2, that will give you 4, 3, 9, 3, 9, and then you just multiply it by 2, and then you will find out what the number you'll get. So this will be your answer. Good. So it's 6277. Wait, how are they so hard? What's hard? Only 23 was hard, 24 and 25. 3 of them were hard, rest of them was easy. So we are done now. I'll stop sharing. Yes, Maya, you got it. This is the way how you do it. That's good. You just divide it by 2, then you multiply by 2, and then you get your answer. So let's stop sharing screen now. Well done, everyone. I told you this paper had 25 and we'll be done. Where is Ishita? Ishita is here only. So I'll see you guys back tomorrow. Ashmi, we are doing something. Maybe you like it. We are going to do non-verbal tomorrow. So I'll see you guys back tomorrow now. And then we'll do non-verbal on Tuesday and we'll do verbal on Wednesday. So try giving your creative writings if you have not. The last day for giving the creative writing is today in the evening. So if you have not given it, just try doing it. Naughty, naughty Ashmi. Bye everyone. Have a lovely rest of the day. And I'll see you guys back tomorrow in the morning. Bye.